is the 17th time that we have this Tech Days, and there's practically no better place than here at the Red Bull Ring.
Well, it's the place where Formula One takes place, an event that is filled with high tech. In these talks, we can inform our customers about ways and means how AT&S can help them to address some of their most pressing issues.
Interesting presentation. So far, they were great to listen to.
We now can see that the trends are turning strong in the semiconductor industry. Artificial intelligence, there was a lot spoken about artificial intelligence today.
The technology at the moment with regard to innovation in the areas where AT&S is located, substrates, PCB, is so accelerating because of so many mega trends at the moment.
Alpha team, we've been ambushed. Set back up.
Reliability, scalable quality, I think that is the most essential why we are building the partnership with AT&S.
Even I'm used to be impressed. I was more than impressed yesterday evening and yesterday morning and yesterday, every moment at AT&S standard means at the top level.
Trust, transparency, and loyalty. With those three elements, you will be able to overcome any difficulty in the market.